It's beautiful.
Rainbow. That's his favorite color, blue.
Wow, look at the rainbow.
It's red, orange, yellow, pink, and purple.
Wow, look at that.
Woo! Rainbow.
Look at that double rainbow.
Because it's raining a little.
Yeah,
And it's sunny.
look at that double rainbow. It's beautiful.
And a rainbow. It's a rainbow day.
Wow, look at that. That is amazing.
I never seen the rainbow before. Yeah, we've seen tiny rainbows.
Wow, look at that rainbow. You like it, Tosh?
Yeah. Although